utilization of waste plastic in road construction is being mandated by Ministry of Environment Forestry, or it can be any compliant body like Indian Road Congress or Ministry of State and Highway. Everybody has been proposing the same to control this plastic menace. Interestingly, since they have since there are clear guidelines of usage, and there is many do's and don'ts has to be followed now, because we can't take all plastic and put it onto the road construction.
Correct.
So this requires a raw material, and there is a spec also. All waste plastic cannot get into road construction. There is a standard.
What are those?
Those are, except PVC shouldn't be there, and the inert content has to be less than 1%. There shouldn't be any PVC. So similar, there are quite a few technical checkpoints are there. After that, end of the day, they need waste plastic as a raw material for road construction. And for that, no government, hardly few corporations do procure waste.
Correct.
And nowadays, majorly all road construction happens through the outsourced private partnership like contractors. It can be CPWD, PWD, authorized contractors. They have to procure in turn from us for road construction.
So it's primarily government-based entities who are buying for road for these.
There could be one of the first customer. Second customer might be the private road builders as well. Let's say there's El Sita, there's Villa Community. Even they can also procure, because it's been already. There are hundreds of technical papers have been clearly mentioned that it improves the road quality, and everything is proven.
Okay. What's the demand like?
There's also demand, man. But again, there should be somebody who produces this as a raw material, then supply on to the contractor. If we ask contractor to procure on his own and then
it's
put
very
it
hard.
onto the road, so he just picks up everything, shreds it, put it onto the road, and then everybody complains that this road is not good.
So is that whole process that needs to be set up, and that's still in process? That's still work in progress.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. When do you think this could happen in more linear fashion, or without any hiccups?
It's like ma'am, because there's waste everywhere, ma'am. To channelize it into an organized way, the infrastructure is much more necessary, as well as the machinery. So as from the house till it becomes as a raw material to road construction, there's a flow of material.
Correct.
So for everything we need to have basic infrastructure and the support system, like the ancillary like collection vehicles, secondary transportation, and collection centers, storage units, recycling facilities. Even segregation also was automated, semi-automated.
Because everything is manual right now.
Now that it's manual. So now there is a demand and there is a strict guideline. Now that we may have to faster the process by advancing the recycling capabilities and the facility, so that we could cater it to the right crowd with good number of volumes. That will also help us in giving more landfill diversion.
Okay, perfect.